as an analogy, and I have not seen today's newspaper, and I've not had a chance to get on the internet getting ready for this hearing tonight. I am told that a Georgia congressman resigned with the speculated effect of avoiding an ethics charge pending in Congress. Now, that's not our situation. Tina D'Aversa certainly didn't resign to avoid this, but she was voted out of office, point being that she is no longer there. A written warning, censure, or reprimand would be fairly hollow against a non-member, and there certainly seems little reason to forward something to the DA's office for a non-member. Again, I would ask the board to dismiss based on the fact that Tina is no longer a city official.
Thank you. At this time, I'd like to open it for board discussion. Does anybody have anything to say concerning this motion? No one?
The only thing I'd like to say is that if we were to dismiss based on mootness, the situation would be sitting there that the board was just acting as a rubber stamp for council members to do what they pleased, whether they were still on the council or not. And that is not the purpose of this council, of this board. Our purpose is to make sure that the ethics ordinance, which we worked hard to put in place, is observed, and whether or not the council member is still seating on the council should not be considered. We do have the option of issuing a statement stating that yes, it was a violation and putting it on the record as such, if it is found to be so, or clearing her name. It should not be left in limbo. Either way, it should be resolved. It should not be something sitting out there that, hey, there was an ethics charge against Ms. D'Aversa, and then down the road, people saying, hey, she was defeated because there was an ethics charge against her, and, you know, it was still sitting out there. We should clear it one way or the other, and either show that there was a violation or clear her name. And that's the way I feel about it.
Anyone else?
That's what we concluded, I believe, when we escalated this complaint, that we wanted to give her a chance to clear her name. And so that's why we went forward.
I'm not, I think that the attorney has a valid concern, a valid point in regard to her no longer being on the board and on the council, and in regard to, there seems to be only one disciplinary action that would apply, B1. If this were to move forward and the board would vote that there was a violation, correct?
Actually, paragraph D still applies.
Paragraph D. And I was not part of the board when the board
bear in mind one thing, all we do is make our determination and recommend to the council, and the council has the final decision.
And I do believe the motion that he made, the fact that this was moot, was something that, the board did consider when
That's
he
correct.
decided to move forward to this hearing. That was something that was considered previously, and, we did feel that there still were some, disciplinary actions that could be taken, and we felt that we needed to move forward. So it has been considered.
Okay.
Hey, I was simply going to say, you know, in reference to the Congressman Deal who resigned, I did read that the House rules specifically would not allow an